Hi everyone! For anyone that doesn't know me, my name is Donna at Face Paints For You, and a few days ago I had a request asking if I could do a video tutorial on how to do glitter tattoos. So if you'd like to see how I do my glitter tattoos, please keep watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to show you very quickly everything I would take with me on the job if I was booked to do glitter tattoos. First of all, I would take a different variation of glitter tattoo stencils. Normally I would have it inside an album, so it's a lot easier for the client to look through at the different designs. Just to let you know, I do normally buy the stencils with 3 layers. Then I would always take loads of different coloured glitter pots with me, so I have a large variation of colours that the clients can pick from. Then I take body glue in a little bottle like this, so it's already with the little brush inside for easy application of the glue. Then I take a small rounded flat brush like this to apply the glitter, and I take a kabuki brush just to dust off the excess. Then I also take a small spray bottle with rubbing alcohol and some small lint-free pads to clean the skin where we will be putting the glitter tattoos. It's just to take away any dirt or natural oils of the skin, so the tattoo will stick really well and will last longer. And also earbuds just in case you make a small mistake. Now I do also take this translucent setting powder too, just in case I feel that the tattoo is slightly sticky, so I just apply it quickly with my kabuki brush. Okay, so now let's get into the main part of the video, is showing you how exactly I do glitter tattoos. Okay, so today I have picked this little alien. I could always add this little spaceship above it like this. It would be classed as 2 tattoos, so depending where I am, I would charge them extra for it. Okay, so now I grab my rubbing alcohol spray bottle and I spray some on the lint-free pads, and I start to clean the dirt or sweat or any moisture that the skin may have, only where the tattoo is going to be. And this is actually very important, as it will help the tattoo stick properly and stay on a lot longer. And just make sure it has fully dried before you put the tattoo stencil down. But if you do need to work fast, I would definitely recommend to buy one of those battery operated fans. Now I can't show you mine as I've lost mine unfortunately, so that's the only reason why it's not in this video. But I would definitely recommend it, as it will help you speed up the drying process, not just now, but even afterwards when you're waiting for the glue to dry and become clear. Okay, so now as you can see, I grab the tattoo stencil that was chosen and I take the back white layer off and place the other 2 layers down onto the skin, keeping the clear layer on top. And I press down, making sure it is all stuck down properly and it's nice and smooth and no bumps or creases. Then very slowly I peel off the clear top layer, making sure I do not lift the black layer up, as that is the actual stencil, and it isn't always as easy as you may think it is. So as you can see, as I started peeling it back, the 2 pieces in the middle that separate the arms and the body started coming up, so I had to put it back down and start peeling and going round the design instead, and pulling it up very carefully. And I had to be careful of the eyes too. And sometimes if you don't do this very carefully and watch what you're pulling, it can rip those parts off and it will become a complete mess. So here I just make sure that it's all stuck down properly, especially as I don't want the glue to go under the stencil. So now I grab the glue, and with the little brush inside the glue, I start putting down a very thin layer, making sure I don't go out of the stencil, and just make sure you cover the whole design. And now I just wait until the glue turns clear, and that's when you will know that it's ready for your next step, and that is to put down the glitter. And again, this is where your battery operated fan would become very handy, because it would speed up the drying process. So normally, as I'm waiting for the glue to become clear, I usually ask the client what colour glitter they want. Depending on how much time I have, I do give them the option to have more colours. The more creative you are, don't forget, and the more colours you use and how you put the glitter down, the better the design will be. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I just chose two colours. I chose this purple and this bright neon green. I thought they'd look ace together. And of course, you could always use these puffer bottles instead. It's completely up to you. I just find it a lot easier to use just these little pots. And now, as you can see, the glue is completely clear. So now we're ready to put the glitter on. Okay, so all I do now is I grab my brush and I pick up a little bit of purple glitter and I drop it anywhere I want it to be purple. And with the brush, I gently push the glitter into the skin and spread it out slightly. And to give it a slight softer blend between the colours, what you will see me do is with the tip of my brush, I do a bit of a flicking motion, and I do that only where the other colour's going to meet. Then I go with the neon green glitter and I do exactly the same, fill in the areas where I want it to be green, and where the other colours meet, with my brush I start mixing the two colours together, and then I go all over the design, making sure all the glitter is all pushed in and pressed into the glue properly, and that all the glue is completely covered with glitter. Then I always make sure to close my glitter pots, as you don't want glitter absolutely everywhere. Then here, as you can see, I grab my kabuki brush and brush off all the excess glitter that is on the design. Then very slowly and very carefully, I start to peel back the black stencil, starting from one of the corners at the bottom, as I remembered that I have a small intricate part in the middle that if I pulled it the opposite way it would probably rip. Plus, we wouldn't want to hurt the client too, as they may have a few little hairs there, especially if it's children, it may even hurt them. And of course, most importantly, don't forget that this is the best part for your client. This is the reveal. So this is when the client finally sees the design done, you know, the glitter tattoo being done. I actually do normally have some small tweezers with me as well, just in case a small part does rip off and stay attached to the skin. So then with a small pair of tweezers, it's very easy to pull up. And if by accident you do get a bit of glue or a bit of glitter out of the design, you could always use those earbuds and just spray a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it and just rub it slightly and it'll just come straight off. Hey guys, so this is how I do glitter tattoos. And if you have made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if this video has helped you out. And I just wanted to say I really appreciate all the love and support. Thanks again for watching. Bye.